Hey guys, this is Min here. Hey, today I'm gonna make some karaage. The weather's outside beautiful and I want something Japanese. So I'm gonna make some karaage and I'm gonna share my experience with you. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, and the recipe is going to be down there below. All right. So the recipe is pretty simple. You start with chicken. I am using chicken thigh, so I'm going to first debone the chicken and cut it into nuggets. But remember, you have to keep the skin. Skin is what makes it good. Now the chicken's been cut into chunks, it's time to marinate. Alright, so the marination is pretty simple. Only thing you really need is pretty much wine sugar soy sauce with a few additions. So we have some garlic, some ginger, some soy sauce, some sugar, and some rice wine. I am also adding some sesame oil just for additional flavor. Okay, and mix it all up, and we should be able to have the marination sauce, and we put it in a bag, let it sit, probably overnight is the best, and we'll go from there. Okay. It's been a couple of hours. The chicken's been marinating, so let's go and start to put some batter on the chicken. So the first thing we need to do is mix the batter up. It's pretty easy. Potato starch, that's it. Potato starch, and then adding some salt and pepper, and I like to add some black pepper to it. So what I do is add some potato starch and add a little black pepper, a little bit of salt. I don't like too much black pepper. I like white pepper actually. White pepper is significantly better. Gives that extra flavor as a white pepper. Mix it up. And we're ready to go. Okay, so we made chicken, made the batter, but what about the sauce? Sauce is always like, oh, that delicious peppery mayonnaise. How do you make those? So that's actually extremely easy. Get some Japanese mayonnaise and some Sriracha sauce, hot sauce, and mix it together. That's it. Watch. And it's ready to serve. Only thing you need is some lemon or lime, and you're good to go.
Oh, you've eaten it all?
It's gone already.
All right. Miss Lee, how was the chicken karaage?
Very, very good.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
9, 8.
8. It's going backwards.
Okay, 8.
8.
I love it.
Vicky?
I like the fat and juicy part, not too dry.
Not too dry.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Out of 10?
I'll give a 9.
9.
More generous.
Hugo, how was the chicken? I gave you some. What do you think? 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. I think you're just saying that. What do you think? 10 out of 10?